if you want to examine simple columnar epithelium with cilia, you can use a section of the fallopian tube or oviduct. So in this case, you just have to focus on these areas because this is the lumen. So again, it is best to use 400x magnification. So currently we are on 200x, and immediately you can see your simple columnar lining epithelium here and the cilia. And the basement membrane is somewhere here. So this section is cut thickly, giving it an appearance of multiple layers of nucleus, but um, this is just an artifact, and it is still supposed to be um, simple rather than stratified or pseudostratified. So if this is your columnar epithelial cells, this will be the cilia, and this will be the basement membrane. So again, this would be your simple columnar epithelium. This will be your apical surface, thus it has your cilia, and this is the lumen, and this will be your basement membrane. This area here is connective tissue.